Welcome to Boracay Island, a tropical paradise in the Philippines, known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and warm hospitality. But Boracay is more than just a beautiful destination. It's a community that invites you to participate in its rich culture and vibrant lifestyle. We're committed to preserving the island's nature, beauty, and unique ecosystem. Join us in our efforts to protect Boracay's fragile environment. By promoting sustainable tourism practices, we support local businesses and communities, ensuring that benefits of tourism are shared by all. Together, we can protect Boracay's incredible diversity and ensure that this island paradise remains a treasure for generations to come. Boracay Island, a paradise worth preserving. Join us in our mission to participate, preserve, promote, and protect this incredible destination.